Hi, welcome once again to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. M. Ghosh, and I'm here today with another awe inspiring story for you. The channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, has been formed with the twin purposes of sharing daily inspiration and sharing with all of you the best stories of mankind, meaning the stories of mankind at their very best. This is to inculcate a moral fiber and also inspire the coming and present generations. Friends, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant was formed in 2016. Today, it has over 775 members on Facebook, over 120 members on WhatsApp, and about 95 members on YouTube. We bring you stories which will truly inspire you to make a difference. Friends, if you like to listen to my inspiring stories, please to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you are updated every time we come out with another inspiring story for you. Today, the inspirational Indian I'm going to speak to you about is Rajaram Tiwari, also known as Bhule Bhatke Tiwari. Before we go on to the truly inspirational story of Bhule Bhatke Tiwari ji, let me tell you about the Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival for the Hindus in India. In a cycle of every 12 years, it is held on the banks of the four rivers respectively at Allahabad, at the congregation of the Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati river, at Haridwar on the banks of the Ganges river, at Nasik on the banks of Godavari river, and at Ujjain on the bank of Shivir river. It is a dip by the Hindus which the Hindus believe washes away all their sins. Here, over 100 to 150 pilgrims congregate for the dip, and it has a fair atmosphere where education is carried out. There is entertainment, religious discourses by the saints and sadhus who come from all across the country, and there is mass feeding of the poor and the sadhus. The Kumbh Mela has been recognized as one of the largest peaceful gatherings in the world's largest congregation of religious pilgrims. While the average attendance is in the range of 100 to 150 million, but the single highest day attendance has been recorded as 30 million on 10th February 2013 and 50 million on 4th February 2019. Can you imagine 50 million people together? During these melas, people tend to get separated from their loved ones. And it is here that Bhule Bhatke Tiwari ji or Rajaram Tiwari steps in. In 1946, while attending a Kumbh Mela, Rajaram Tiwari ji came across a very old woman who was crying as she was lost. She could not locate her tent. Rajaram Tiwari ji helped her find her tent and her loved ones, and this old lady touched his feet as a mark of respect to him. Rajaram Tiwari ji felt blessed, and from the very next day started showing up with a loudspeaker, and on that particular years Kumbh Mela itself, he helped in reuniting 800 lost people with their loved ones. Between 1946, where he undertook the first effort of reuniting loved ones, till 2016, when he died, Rajaram Tiwariji, also known as Bhule Bhatke Tiwariji, had reunited over 12,50,000 adults and over 20,000 children all by himself. Sometimes it takes only a few hours to reunite loved ones, and sometimes it takes a few days. During this period, the lost people are given blankets and food till their loved ones are found. At the age of 88, when Rajaram Tiwariji met his maker, he passed on the baton to his son, Umesh Tiwari, who now continues the family tradition of running these Bhule Bhatke camps under the banner of Bharatiya Seva Dal. The Bhule Bhatke camps are also known as the Bhule Bhatke Shivir or the Khoya Paya Shivers. Now the government has also stepped in and adopted digital aids to help unite lost ones with their family. However, most pilgrims prefer to go over to the Bhule Bhatke Shivar or Khoya Paya Shivar run by the Tiwari family, as their faith and trust in this family is so much more. Normally, this family is able to unite loved ones in a matter of few hours, and sometimes it takes a few days, during which they are given food, stay accommodation, blankets to take care of themselves. The Tiwari family does not take a single paisa for this service to mankind. Throughout the year, the Tiwari family are farmers, elking out the living by agriculture. But during Kumbh Melas, they turn to helping finding and reuniting loved ones. They do not take any payment for the same. The government of India nor has any private organization recognized the efforts put in by Tiwari ji and now his son so far. However, recently I believe that the Bollywood industry has stepped in and is making a movie on Rajaram Tiwari ji on his life's work. Truly inspirational work, having reunited 12,50,000 adults and over 20,000 children. When Tiwari ji met his maker at the age of 88 in 2016, he also requested that his son clean the Ganges on a regular basis. So his son Umesh has taken on the additional responsibility of cleaning the river Ganges on every Purnima or full moon day as an additional activity under the banner of Bharatiya Seva Dal, under whose auspices the Bhule Bhatke camps are run in Kumbh Melas. Truly inspirational person and family, friends. People like Tiwari ji end up making a difference to lakhs of people. Not all of us can be Tiwari ji, but all of us can make a difference to one. I am a strong believer in the difference to one concept. That means you as one person make a difference to another person. What a difference to one person. The ripples of it will spread out to society, and you do not know how far these ripples of kindness will travel. Stand up, be counted, and make a difference to one. That itself will make a change in society. Nowadays, COVID 19 is prevalent across the world and it has caused many, many million deaths. During these COVID times, please stay safe with your family, maintain social distances when you go out, and always wear a mask. I request you to stay safe, and also I request you to make a difference to one. Your difference to one activity, act of kindness could make a difference to somebody's life, especially in these times of mass unemployment and hunger being prevalent in society. Please stand up and be counted. Till we meet again with another awe inspiring story on your favorite channel, generous, gracious, and gallant. Good luck and all the best. And do not forget, before moving out, to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get every notification of every awe inspiring story that we release on your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Till we meet again with another inspiring story, good luck, all the best, and stay safe. Thank you.